Welcome to Submit Skills Academy. In today's video, we will explain the key differences between the provisioning system and the instance system in SuccessFactors. Whether you are an HR IT professional, consultant, or just getting started with SuccessFactors, this will give you a clear understanding of these two critical components. Today, I am going to discuss about the difference between provisioning system and instance system in SAP SuccessFactors. What is SAP SuccessFactors? SAP SuccessFactors is a cloud-based human capital management solution designed to manage various HR functions like recruitment, performance, compensation, and learning. It operates with a layered architecture, and understanding the difference between provisioning and the instance is essential to manage the configure and it effectively. Why SAP SuccessFactors has two different parts, two different systems basically, that is provisioning and the instance. Provisioning is the backend configuration tool and instance is the front end, that is the customer space on the SF server. The instance is accessible to implementers, admins, and end users. It is used to customize styles, manage permissions, oversee user information, generate reports, etc. What is provisioning system? Let's start with the provisioning system. Provisioning is the backend administration tool used in SAP SuccessFactors to manage system level configurations. It is not accessible to regular users. Only certified consultants and implementation partners have to access it. The screenshot of the provisioning. I have already told that provisioning is the backend tool for system level configurations used by SAP SuccessFactors certified consultants, and it is restricted as well for SAP certified consultants only. Used during initial system setup, activate modules like recruiting, LMS, PMGM, and EC. Enables features like SSO, means single sign-on, language pairs, role-based permissions, etc. Also, we can upload XML templates like performance, recruiting, employee central for these modules. In provisioning, you activate modules, set up the instance, configure SSO, enable features like role-based permission, and upload XML files for templates. Think of it as the foundation layer of the entire SuccessFactors house. Now, what is the instance system? Now, let's look at the instance system. An instance in SAP SuccessFactors refers to a dedicated environment where the system is set up and configured for a specific customer or purpose. The instance is the front-end web application where employees, managers, and HR admins perform day-to-day operations. This is the screenshot of SuccessFactors instance. Instance is a web app that supports daily tasks for employees, managers, and HR. It is user-friendly, front-end interface. It is used for HR tasks and admin activities. We can use the tools like manage data, configure object definitions, control user roles, workflows, business rules, generate reports. Also, we can manage org structures through this. We are going to discuss how provisioning and instance work together. Provisioning and instance are deeply connected. You cannot have one without the other. For example, if you want to use the time of module, first it needs to be enabled in provisioning by a consultant. Then you as an admin configure it in the instance, defining leave types, business rules, and workflows. Administrator use the instance to manage our user permissions, configure workflows, manage data, objects, and generate reports. Most of the business configuration happens here after initial provisioning. We are going to the next slide. That is difference between provisioning and instance system. Access for provisioning only SAP certified consultants. Instance admins, managers, and end users. Purpose system setup and configuration. Backend configuration you can say, and for instance we can say it is front end operations. It is used for system setup, module enablement, for provisioning, and for instance daily HR tasks and business configuration. Typically we can use through provisioning module enablement, single sign-on, XML, etc. And in instance we can manage organization management, workflow, reporting, etc. So, in short, provisioning is like an engine room, powerful but off limits. The instance is the driver's seat, you can say, accessible and functional for daily operations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SAP SuccessFactors content. And drop your questions in the comment. We'd love to help. See you in the next video. Bye bye.